Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and autumn is on the way, and I have not made anything in my cast iron skillet in a long time, and I want to change that. So I picked up Stir, Sizzle, Bake, Recipes for Your Cast-Iron Skillet by Charlotte Druckman, and let's look through it. It is by Clarkson Potter Publishers. Came out in 2016. Let's check out the contents. No bake baking. How does that work? Easy bake baking. Yes. On the rise baking. Make the most of baking. And condiments. Okay. Stir, sizzle, bake. Where it started. She's explaining how she came up with this. One pan, many possibilities. Yes. Let's clean up. Caring for your skillet. Good to have that info. Whoops. Okay, and she's starting off with the first recipes, no bake baking. Beautiful picture, so far so good. Here's blistered pizza naan. Tiny picture of it, but naan is not going to look pretty in a picture, so that's fine. Garlic roti, extra coconutty roti, Moroccan something with Ras El Hanout. I didn't realize this was going to be a multicultural book. Awesome. Here is Lassie makes 10 flatbreads. Oh, this is not at all what I thought this was going to be. I love it. Sichuan pepper scallion flatbread. This is a totally different cookbook than I thought it was going to be, and I'm loving this. The Irish soda farls that started it all. Okay. Lots of stuff with no picture. Here's fry bread. Love fry bread. I made it one time. It turned out good, but not as good as when professionals make it. This is a green pea panisse. Would you eat that? I'm not... I guess I'd put it in my mouth and try it, but okay. Crumpets, toasted barley pita, hoe cake with kimchi, scallions, and nori. Wow. Okay, shall we find another chapter if I can? Skip ahead. Here we go. Easy bake baking. Lots of recipes here. Cheesy Frito bread with pimentos. That sounds really good. Socanata with lamb, olives, and oregano. I don't know what socanata is. Ooh, here's a pretty picture of something. I don't know what it is. Swirl bread with leeks, tahini, and dill. Broccoli cake. I need a picture of that. Kale, onion, and fontina scones. I need a picture of that. There isn't one. Spiced butternut squash biscuits. That sounds good. They look whiter than I thought. I would have thought they would be orange or browner or something. Pineapple pine nut buttermilk cake. Cacio e pepe shortbread. Tomato pie. With apologies to Hattie May. I'm not sure what that means. That looks so good. Fig almond clafouti with saffron syrup. Wow. How does that look? I've made saffron syrup before. Sorghum biscuits. Banana matcha butter mochi cake. So lots of Asian influences in here. Berry upside down, chocolate cake in a skillet. Sounds good. Okay, I gotta get to the next chapter so I'm not ruining the whole book for you. Almond butter and rhubarb tart in a skillet. Where's the next chapter? Halva fudge bars. Okay, on the rise baking. I'm assuming this is yeasted bread, but I see some chicken legs sticking out of something here. What's happening? Sweet potato rusks with garam masala, curried pretzel knots. My boyfriend hates curry. I couldn't make that for him. Whole wheat sticky buns. Sounds good. English muffins, my way. Deli bialys. Did I say bialys right? I don't know. Big Sur focaccia. Yum. The flying duck pie. Oh, that's what that was. I thought it was chicken legs. Sorry, I'm a vegetarian. I don't know. Challah, French style, pistachio cherry Danish. Oh, how beautiful is that? Gorgeous. Okay, I have to find another chapter so I'm not ruining their copyright. Skillet pancake souffle. Wow. Here is make the most of baking, and I'll just pick a couple of these to show you. For example, migas. Now we have some Mexican influence with sweet potato rusks and Chinese sausage. I'm not entirely sure what a rusk is. Someone tell me in the comments, please. But be nice. Gingerbread challah bostock. That wouldn't be the first thing I would bake. Ooh, gorgeous. Gorgeous photo. Focaccia pancato. Eggplant panzanella with focaccia. Lots and lots of good stuff. Okay. Wow. Stir, sizzle, bake. That was way more baking than I realized by the title. Duh, that was awesome. Recipes for your cast iron skillet. So many things in here I wanted to make, so many vegetarian opportunities. Love it, highly recommend it. Charlotte Druckman is the author. Thanks so much for watching this cookbook look through and review. You can see more of them on our blog at cookbookdivas.com, and we post videos to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, occasionally to Pinterest. If you see something from us that you like, please be sure to click like and leave us a comment so the social media algorithms will show you more of our videos. Bye!